How to make reels on Instagram. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily make a reels on Instagram. So if you're also using Instagram for the first time, just head over to your Instagram and click on this plus icon at the middle bottom of your screen. As you can see, there's a plus icon. So once you tap on it, you will be seeing all of your files, like recent files or videos or folders, everything. So from here on out you'll be having two options. One is to click on this camera icon and simply start recording your live video by simply long pressing on this camera icon, or what you can do instead is just click on this recent button over here, which will take you to your gallery, and just choose your videos section and select any videos, random videos like this, and start uploading the video like this. So let me just select this video for example and click on next. So from over here, what you do is you can add a text over here like this, and you can also change the color of the text, background of the text, style designing of the text, or animation of your text, just like this. And once you do all of that, you can also add a text to speech for this text, and you can also edit later on. You can also similarly add a music to your particular video. So let me just add some music to it and click on done. You can also trim the part of the music which you liked to be included on the video, and you can also include the stickers from over here, or poll or location, and as well as these frenzy looting stickers over here. And you can use filter by this option based on your choice, different filter like this. So also add a voice over here by clicking button over here, and you can also caption or increase or decrease your saturation brightness by simply to this filter option, or you can also decrease the volume of both audio and video. You can finally save the video as well by clicking on this icon over here at the last. So you can also adjust it like this. So once you do all of that, just click on next, and from over here you can also edit the cover of your video just like this and click on done. Now finally you can add a title to your video, give hashtags for your video reach or nature like this to make your video viral by using trending topics. Now you can also tag people from over here and add a similarly location over here. And one last thing, just click on this more option and make sure you have enabled this option, which will also help you to upload your video at the highest quality possible. You can also hide your like count on this post or share count on this post by simply disabling these options, enabling these options over here. So once you do all of that, just click on share button, and that is actually how you can easily upload the reels on Instagram. You can again later edit this video by simply tapping on three dot icon over here and just click on the edit to once again edit the captions or hashtags or your thumbnails just like that. So that is it for today. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.